Have you ever noticed that some people always look stylish and expensive? But did you know that the secret isn't just wearing designer clothes? True style comes from combining the right colors in the right way. Achieving a luxurious and elegant look isn't just about the cut of your clothes. Color coordination also makes a huge difference. The wrong color choice can make you look dull and ordinary, while the right colors instantly make you look chic, sophisticated, and expensive. And the best part? You don't need to spend a fortune on designer brands to achieve this. Today, I'll share the best color combinations that will make you look classy, sophisticated, and luxurious. With these tips, you'll rediscover your wardrobe and take your style to the next level. If you're ready, let's explore the color combinations that will transform your style. 1. Black and white, timeless classic. The perfect harmony of black and white always adds a touch of elegance and sophistication. This combination is the key to a minimal yet powerful style. Why black and white? Black represents authority, power, and elegance. White adds purity and refinement, creating a clean and polished look. Together, they create a simple yet bold appearance. How to style it? Monochrome elegance. A white blazer with black trousers creates a classic yet striking style. Casual chic. A white t-shirt with black jeans makes for an effortlessly stylish outfit. Evening look. A black dress paired with a white bag or shoes creates a sophisticated and elegant vibe. This color combination is a timeless classic that belongs in every wardrobe. 2. Beige and brown, natural and elegant. Inspired by nature, these two colors create a warm and luxurious look. With the rise of the old money aesthetic, this color combo has become even more popular. Why beige and brown? Earthy tones always offer a rich and sophisticated vibe. It creates a simple yet refined appearance. Perfect for fall and winter fashion. How to style it? Office look. A beige trench coat, brown handbag, and heels create a classic outfit. Casual combination. A brown knit sweater with beige trousers is a simple yet stylish choice. Accessories. Gold jewelry complements these colors beautifully, adding a touch of luxury. This color combination is ideal for those who love elegance and simplicity. 3. Navy blue and gold, a royal touch. Navy blue and gold are one of the best ways to create a sophisticated and powerful image. This combination is perfect for those who want a luxurious and professional appearance. Why navy blue and gold? Navy blue is as serious as black, but softer and more elegant. Gold details add richness and a regal touch to any outfit, frequently used for evening events and business wear. How to style it? Chic workwear. Pair a navy blue blazer and trousers with a gold-buttoned blouse or gold accessories. Evening elegance. A navy blue evening gown with gold accessories creates a stunning look. Casual luxury. A navy blue sweater paired with a gold-detailed bag or belt adds sophistication to an everyday outfit. This combination is versatile enough to suit any occasion. 4. Gray and pastel tones. Modern and sophisticated gray, especially in lighter shades, offers a sleek and modern look. When paired with pastel tones like blush pink, baby blue, or soft lavender, it creates a feminine and refined aesthetic. Why gray and pastel tones? Gray is a neutral color that pairs well with many combinations. Pastel tones bring softness and elegance, creates a minimal yet stylish look. How to style it? Casual outfit. A gray oversized blazer, baby blue sweater, and jeans create a modern appearance. Office style. Gray trousers with a pastel-colored blouse make for a chic business look. Accessories. Silver jewelry and nude-colored handbags complement this combination beautifully. This is the perfect choice for those who want a modern and sophisticated style. 5. Burgundy and cream. Warm and luxurious. Burgundy is a bold and elegant color that represents richness and sophistication. When combined with cream, it creates a balanced and refined aesthetic. Why burgundy and cream? Burgundy is a strong and eye-catching color. Cream adds softness and elegance. A great choice, especially for fall and winter outfits. How to style it? Fall elegance. A burgundy coat with a cream turtleneck sweater creates a warm and chic look. Office outfit. A cream dress paired with burgundy shoes makes for a sophisticated business outfit. Evening look. A burgundy dress with cream heels creates a romantic and stylish ensemble. This combination is perfect for those who seek a refined yet bold style. Conclusion. With the right color combinations, you can create a stylish, luxurious, and elegant look effortlessly. From the timeless elegance of black and white to the warm luxury of burgundy and cream, there are plenty of options to choose from. Now it's your turn. Which color combination is your favorite?